Namaskar and hi to all. All it takes is just 4 minutes to enlightenment. I am X. Yes, X from the mathematics. Imagine now that this X is made up of numbers in ascending order from 1 to 100. These numbers are made by my actions translated into experience here. Here, by the way, is part body and part the planet. But when I say that it is part body, then because I am connected to the body as a pen drive is to a computer, some part of this contribution to me being X was with me from before. I was zero as per this life when I was in my mother's womb, although that zero had components of my previous journeys and my state of being as well. Now, when I was born and started learning the ways of the I and the world, I started accumulating these numbers, which made my personality as an individual. There always is a difference between how X perceives himself to be and how others perceive him to be. The difference between the two perceptions is always there. We should not be bothered about what others perceive us to be. Instead, we should be focusing on our own true self. Now, the important question arises. Does X really know his true self? Or over the years, the identity he assumed after making a false image of himself, he has also started believing that he is that false image, trying to fulfill expectations of others and sometimes trying to project a certain image of our own self. We actually lose track of our true self. We start going far away from the source, that is us. The source is the state of being. Every thought ever generated comes like a ripple from this source to the brain. The brain then does its job of processing the thought and eventually takes an action. Now, from the thought leaving the source to it reaching the brain, it gets modified to suit our needs, the needs of the I that we perceive to be us. Let me explain this by making up an example. X and Z are the best of friends. X is rich and has 100 gold coins. Z one day asks X to lend her 10 gold coins, as she is in urgent need of them. The first ripple will tell X what his true position on the matter is and what he should do. The ripple, by the time it reaches the brain, is modified at a rate faster than that of the speed of light by I consciousness. The modification of the original thought is done in a perfect manner to suit the worldly thoughts generated by the I consciousness of X. Then, if X finds himself to be in a position where he does not want to give the gold coins to Z, he will start making up false excuses. The I identification of X will convince him that he should not be giving, as he will not benefit from this deal. X will not even be transparent enough to tell the truth, as his worldly image might face a dent. This thought, combined with all the others, will take X far away from his true state of being. When we are not near the source, we do not clearly see the true us. When X does not see the true image of himself, then how would he accept his plus and minus points? This becomes one of the main reasons as to why X is not able to evolve. This makes X live constantly in an unreal world, doing unreal things. X is not even able to achieve a state where he can clearly see all this. Even if he does, then he chooses to ignore it. By the time X chooses to give a thought or two to this, he reaches the fag end of his life, and all that is left is a severely flawed, selfish person who lived only for himself. How to deal with all this? How to reach the source timely? And how to stop the modification of the original ripples? We will discover together. Just be with your Sahyatrik.